Hello students, welcome to art class. We are going to do our study through the Bible and we are looking at symbols of Christ. I've saved the complex illustration for last. I'll show you how to go about it. When you're doing a complex illustration, it's good to do the composition first. Today I'll draw Daniel as a symbol of Christ in the lion's den. So more or less I will draw a series of shapes. This will be my sketch for the figure of Daniel. This will be my first lion. My second lion will be there. And my third lion. And let's say the fifth lion. This is a complex drawing in that there are many elements, so it's good to always make the composition first so you can see how to go about it. So using this image, I will start putting the details onto Daniel. You can see how I've broken down the face simply. And there I have it, his face and the beard. There his shirt and his clothing. So I put in the details. With the composition, it's easy to draw the figures. It's more like tracing it out. That's my figure Daniel. So I have my lion. Very simple figurines. I draw the eye line, the nose, the mouth, and the ears. Similar to this. The eye line, line for the nose, and ears. Same there. I have a series of 3 lions, so I'll put in the details. So I give it a name. It's relaxing. I will draw the pose. These are big cats. You can see in proportion with Daniel, they are large. These two I will make the female cat. So it will be without the meme. Same here. I'm able to do a quick sketch because I thought about the composition first. And to put the whiskers so they don't look like bears. Then I draw Daniel's hand there. This is the lion's paw, and that's the other paw. This is a very simple sketch of Daniel in the lion's den. I'll highlight it with shadows on his cloth and down there. If you have colors, it's always good to color your work. Your work should be more detailed than mine. So Daniel is a foreshadow of Christ. You can see he's tossed in the lion's den for no fault of his own. But then God is able to deliver him, and the king and the people are able to listen to him. Daniel is also wise like Christ. He's able to go through several kings and he still maintains his position. He's like Christ. If you have him, it doesn't matter what circumstances you're going through. He is the one who precedes all your circumstances. So you can see Daniel had the wisdom to realize that Christ is everything and is able to be in Babylon without causing disruption. Even when the kings are changed, Daniel still maintains his position of honor. Christ still maintains his position. It doesn't matter what happens in the world. Christ is the one who is the rock of our salvation. Even when Nebuchadnezzar has a dream, Daniel is able to interpret it. All the wise men are not able. He's able to predict what is happening in their world and what will soon happen in ours. Christ is the one who holds all the answers. So the book of Daniel is a foreshadow of Christ in the New Testament. From his possibility of death in the lion's den, and God is able to deliver him. Christ was dead 3 days, but rose again, to his way on which he leads, his wisdom, to Daniel's prophecies of the Son of Man's everlasting kingdom in the coming of age. I was able to make a complex composition by drawing a series of circles and putting in the images. When you're thinking about a drawing, it's always good to think about the whole image and how it will fit into your paper. My paper orientation is portrait, and you can see I've tried to fill up the whole space with the artwork. This lower part will be the rock. Then I'll shade lightly on top. Ideally, this is just a simple lion's den. I've decided there are 4 lions. And today is Daniel, a foreshadow of Christ. That's a very simple illustration of Daniel in the lion's den.